Welcome back, guys, to QBSYLUHV channel. Today we'd like to talk about eCash, potential targets for 2023 and the next upcoming bull run with my custom indicator set. Let's dive in. Alright guys, so this is a gate EO charts on a weekly time frame. Like, this playlist we talk about accumulation distribution zones, not about just the local intraday trades. So we're trying to determine the best entry point for investment. If we take a look on this FIB, I would like to show you one interesting thing. So here, monthly time frame. Every single time when you see that listing candle, so we can come back and close at least 50% of this candle. So here's a FIB. Came into 61.78. So 61, it will be 0.4015. 78 will be 0.45093. So just keep in mind these levels. If we take a look on a weekly time frame FIB, this FIB is legit. Like you can see, we got a top here in August 2021 because, all coins which listed after April and May make a new high around August or November. So this is a top, this is a support zero level. We tested 23 and collapsed it down to 27 zone. Here, we didn't touch the 27 level. That's why we have to test 50% of this range. It's not necessary, so we have to come back. But we will double check on indicators what the whales do now with this coin. On the eCash, I don't like the trades, the coin like this one, because we got a lot of weeks like this one, like this one, like this one, and we don't have any single monthly gap. Just keep in mind two tiny weekly gap. So first one, it's around zero level. Second one, it's main one will be like a main target for eCash. For the next bull run, it will be this zone. This is a full fill 0.3017 over than 23 level by FIB. So it can be potential targets like this one to 0.5 level by FIB. So this is what I can expect for eCash. Better keep in mind the more conservative price targets for risky altcoins for the next bull run. So from the lowest point, for example, to 0.5 level by FIB correction, it can be around 1,000% gains, 1,200 to 61 level by FIB, it can be around 1,400. But don't build some crazy unicorn dreams about a new all-time high over than 1.61 level by FIB or 2.61 or even 1 cent or something. Just better take profit and get money than just stock once again, because a lot of people stock, for example, at this area after listing, everybody starts screaming, oh, we're going to a new all-time high. But people who jump in August and in November, here's March, August, here's September, October, November, in this area, Bitcoin was at new all-time high and eCash dropped it. And then we'll just walk from level to level. Let's take a look on my indicator set, what the whales do now with this coin.
Now let's go and double check this chart with my custom indicator set. And I'll recommend you go and watch this big tutorial how to work with my indicator set 6-in-1.
On weekly time frame on ADZ, yes, it's a good signal because we are in accumulation stage here. And like you can see, yes, we formed the divergence from this drop in June 2022 till this low on weekly time frame. Yes, we formed the divergence. Yes, so now it's time to pump. Because we didn't see any huge distribution. That's why just buy, personal opinion, 0.5 at 61 level by FIB, at least 0.203027. It's more than real to see. So 1K and 500, 1K and 300 for eCash, it's more than possible, just my personal opinion, because the big players accumulate now. No distribution zones. Let's take a look on QBSYLUHV direction. Yes, no signal to buy or no signal to sell. So just in the middle, we can still form the bottom. So we can trade long-term period, for example, in this range between 0 level and 18. We can trade all 2023 at even beginning of 2024 in this range. So let's take a look now on the market mood. On weekly time frame here, this was a time to distribute your coin. together with the whales. And now from June 2022 till January 2023, the big whales accumulate coin. And here once again we was in accumulation stage in May 2023, May and June. So here 2 months we accumulate. So from last drop, eCash already made 83%. So it's more than good, you know, for the market like we're seeing now. But, you know, we got order flow. So anyway, sooner or later, we will liquidate all these guys and go to sweep this liquidity. So we can even mark on this level like this one and add the target. So this will be the local target for eCash. So this one. If we take a look on trade on weekly time frame, why we can drop one more time lower? Because we didn't see any signal to close position after this main signal to sell. No signal to take profit from sell. We just got a recommendation close position. That's why we can see something like this one, for example. In this area, everybody jump into eCash and we can collapse it down. And even when we sweep liquidity down, or even we hold the line 18 level by fee, we can see the signal take profit and new signal to buy on the weekly time frame, like we saw on, for example, on Bitcoin Cash, on Algorand, on Cardano. So just recommend you go and watch these videos. So now still no signal to buy on weekly time frame. That's why we have a chance to drop it lower. And the last indicator what I would like to show you, it's a take profit. This indicator every single time showed the real value of the coin. So now we trade under fundamental price. This last line, it's fundamental value of this coin. Now it's 0.4037. And the main targets is here. So touch fundamental price, buy line, take profit. So yes, if we will see some even some small altcoin rally, we could see from the bottom till take profit, we can see 400 for 50%. And it will be more than enough for altcoin like eCash this year or even next one. So if we will see something like this one, it will be time to out of this coin and take profit, because anyway, sooner or later we will come back and test the buy line. Till that time, I don't know where we will be. Or even once again fundamental price. This will be the time when you have to out of this coin. This one, this one, this one. You can step by step in 3 stages out of this coin. So don't fall in love with coin every single time. Take profit, because anyway, we will see something like this one sooner or later. Higher or lower, anyway, we'll come back after take profit to the buy line or fundamental price once again.
Guys, if you want to trade with my custom indicator set, what I showed you in this video, only for $1 per day, just write me DM. All links will be on the description below. And you have to know, this indicator set works even on the free TradingView plan.
So guys, I hope you liked this video about eCash. Write this in the comment, what do you think about this coin in general? Do you hold eCash in your portfolio or not? Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the bell notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.